It is April 25th, Saturday morning. It's the 6th day of season, and I've hunted on this farm every single day. It's big enough. I don't think I'm messing them up too bad. The past 3 days, I've heard gobblers. I have not seen them. I've been pretty close to some of them, but they're just out of sight. So I'm going to try to get set up on a bird this morning. I got set up on this bird earlier this morning, and I was under 100 yards from his roost and called a little bit. He answered me, and I thought I had a chance of him coming down to where I was set up first thing. But he flew off the roost, went the other direction, and he was covering some ground. And I was walking at a very fast pace trying to keep up with this turkey. And he ended up going down into a creek bottom and worked his way back up onto a ridge, and he was just gobbling his brains out. So I made 2 attempts to set up on this bird and try to call him to me, but he did not want to have anything to do with that. He was staying where he was at. So I made the decision to slowly work my way up this hill, waiting for him to gobble when I knew he was farthest away, and finally got on top with him. And when I sat down, I realized just how close I was from this turkey. He was just on the other side of the hump. I could hear him spitting and drumming and gobbling his brains out. And I know at any time he can come over, and it's just a waiting game, and we're going to see what happens. this bird gobbles from my hard right instead of in front of me for the first time, and I didn't like it. I'm not liking it. I'm not set up to shoot that way. I have a vine beside me that I can't really go around the tree and get set up. And so at this point, I'm very nervous on one, any movement, because it's a lot flatter on this side than on my left. And so I am scared that he is going to see me, but I'm attempting to move, but I'm not really confident in this setup right here because I think he's coming, and I don't know how it's going to work out. Right now, I'm getting my GoPro set up because I'd been running it earlier this morning, but I was kind of running low on the battery and turned it off, and now I'm thinking it's fixing to get real, so I'm turning it back on. Now he's back over to my left. At this point, this bird has been on top of this ridge for about 2.5 hours, and I have been sitting here waiting on him with him just over the hump for almost an hour.
Yes! 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 Oh. Oh. Mm. 5% left on the GoPro, baby. Yes. Oh, shot him. Oh, gosh, dog. I shot him at like 30, 40 yards. He's been over on this hillside gobbling his brains out. And then he shut up for a little bit, and then he gobbled over here, and I thought he was going around me. He's been right here just about all morning. He was roosted far away, and I seen him fly off the roost, but he came right here, and I just had to get in his little bubble. That's a lash, you know. I killed him stone dead. Killed him stone dead. Oh yeah. How you doing there, little buddy? Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh. I probably ain't the best footage in the world, but oh yes, that was perfect. My setup was right there at the base of that tree. Or no, where was it? It was either that one or the next one. Anywho, he's got a rope on him. Oh, man. Obanelli Supernova did his job. 3.5 inch long beards. I've run this gun for many years, and it just killed another one. So on behalf of me and Hunting with the Passion crew, we're excited. I'm excited. Oh man, my wife is expecting our little girl any day now, and I wanted to kill the turkey before she was born so bad. That way I could just focus on her, didn't have to worry about anything. And I got it. Today's Saturday, started Monday hunting, opening day, came close Monday. Was just out of the game a couple other days and got skunked, but I'm on the backside of this farm. I got a long walk to do, but man, I'm happy I can do it. He was just coming. Whew. Yes. Yes. Old Mountain Hollow game call. As Jeremiah said, that's the last thing he heard. He was just out of range, and I put a little spice on it. And boy, he was coming. He'd strut. He'd look, he'd strut, and he'd look. I almost shot him, but I let him come about, I don't know, 10, 15 more yards. Or feet, I don't know. I think I could have killed him there, but yes. Yes. Wow. Yes. Yes. Oh man. Oh yes. I'm gonna have to range this tree. I'll never get over there. Shout out to Blocker Outdoors They make great jackets. Love the turkey vest. And a shout out to Mountain Hall Game Calls, because that's the only thing this bird heard today. And finally talked him into cooperating. He was just on top of the hill and he wanted me in his little bubble. But man, I like the Mountain Hall Game Calls. I mean, I know there's all sorts of stuff out there. I'm not the best caller by no means. You could probably tell in the video that I sound awful. But compared to a lot of other game calls, the mouth calls, they're way easier to run than anything I've ever done. And forgot to mention in my vest video, but I got me a mesh, draped that over my legs, and that bird didn't have a clue I was there. Didn't have a clue. And oh man, oh, I've worked hard for that bird. Oh man, I was in the shade too, man. The sun's awful. These real open woods, and sunshine. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? Killed that bird at 9:30. It's about 9:39. Killed that bird at 9:30. Oh man, you can't beat that, man. Oh man, I'm happier than a pig in a mud hole right now. Man, my wife, she's gonna be tickled pink. She's been wanting me to kill a bird, I think, more than I've been wanting to kill a bird. And that's saying something. Because I've been wanting to kill a bird. Let's go see. Well, here we are, the last day of the first week. And I've worked my butt off for this bird. I've walked probably close to 10 miles this week and sweated to death. But we've had pretty good weather, had a lot of close calls. I've been close to a lot of turkeys, but never seen them. This one finally popped over the hill, and little Mountain Hall Game Calls got him excited. And he come in and shot him at 33 yards. Didn't have a clue I was there. That's always nice when you can kill a bird and they don't know you're there. That's satisfying. I just had to get in his little bubble. Glad it happened the way it did, and now I just get to walk back to the truck. So, and it's kind of far, so it'll be fun. Hunting with the Passion Cruise, doing pretty good so far here in Missouri. Pennsylvania season opens up here shortly, but Missouri, we're going proud and strong here, southeast Missouri, and you gotta love a good turkey. It's beautiful. God's creation is beautiful. Of what these things, how these things strut and gobble and shake the woods. It's really awesome to be out in the woods this time of year. So y'all stay tuned for more content coming up, and we'll try to get some more on the ground here in Missouri and Pennsylvania and anywhere else we can legally hunt. So